YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Juan back with another video. Here's how I made $1,314 on this short position, called roughly a one or two. About 50 points to the downside here. It is currently 9:50 a.m. Tuesday, October 14. I got this nice trade right here. Let me give you guys a top-down analysis breakdown into what I saw, what I took, and why I took it. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So on the higher time frames, I am absolutely bearish for the day. Last week on Friday, we actually dropped almost 2,000 points to the downside. I don't typically go into the high time frames such as the weekly and the daily, but sometimes I do check them out. When we actually did a dump to the downside, 2,000 points, we actually came right into this weekly imbalance. Right, I was maybe hoping to a price wouldn't have a market structure shift like this. I was hoping we tap into this weekly fair value gap and then continue, using it as support and continue to all-time highs. But as you guys can see, that is clearly not what we did. And on the daily time frame, after we dropped 2,000 points, we came back up, tapped into this daily fair value gap, and then continue rejected from here. So what I see from there is we are getting a completely market structure shift. Okay, a trend shift, a switch of trend. I am no longer bullish on NQ, and there's absolutely nothing bullish about this. Okay, guys, that's my high time frame influence. You guys already know I am bearish on Nasdaq. I am bearish for the day. What am I looking for on the lower time frame, such as soon as market opening? I'm looking for a short position towards previous sessions liquidity. Okay, if I can get one. So when we zoom into the 15-minute, obviously we are in a downtrend. Here we have this new week opening gap from Asia on Sunday. Price actually, because we dropped so many points, price had to rebalance back up to this hourly fair value gap. Again, no strong candle closures above this PRA, which is rejected from here, created this swing high on yesterday, previous day's highs, and then just dumped from here. Okay. Ever since then, all we've been doing is creating bearish PRAs, creating hourly imbalances, and respecting them to the downside. As you guys can see, we have a nice imbalance here. Obviously, we have this one where price actually rejected from. And again, guys, shorts is all I see here. All right, for my personal style, shorts is all I see. So right at market opening, price looked exactly like this, right? We did this place up, created this sell side liquidity around here, right? London's lows around here. We were inside of this range, and right about here, which is when market opened, we had a 5-minute inversion right here. As you guys can see, we inverted this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. We got a strong close underneath it right before market opening, and then we had this other one right here that I was expecting price to also just completely run through it. I still waited, however. I did not think these highs were actually going to get swept whatsoever. I am extremely bearish on the Q. I knew the next draw on liquidity because we are so bearish, and I traded with the trend. Easily, guys, continuations towards the next draw on liquidity, trading with the trend. I am targeting either this low or this unfulfilled 5-minute bullish fair value gap, which got completely ran through. I truly just targeted this low for 50 points, and I'll take that. It did offer me a nice RR considering my entry, so I'll take that. Okay, simple as that. Right when market opened, we didn't have any sort of crazy manipulation to the upside. As soon as 9:30 came, all we did was also paid attention to this imbalance that we created on the 1 minute, this bearish imbalance. Price came back up, retested it, and my entry was right at this displacement down. Okay, I obviously could have had a better entry if I would have waited for price to come back, tap into this imbalance right here, this 1-minute imbalance. But I had a lot of conviction that we were going to take out this low. Okay, so I simply made myself available for it, went in here with one position. When price came back up here, notice we didn't have any strong candle closures above any PDRAs around here. No imbalances, got inverted to the upside. So I added to my position 2 contracts somewhere around here. I entered somewhere here. Position looks a bit trailed because I added to my position. I went in here with 2 contracts and I got 52 points to the downside targeting this low. Okay, so the charts look literally like this. Boom, I see this nice 1-minute CIZ entered right here. One contract, price comes back up, fills in this imbalance, this tiny, tiny imbalance. I actually did market while I was on the trade, hoping we don't invert it. Right here, came back up here at this rejection, added another contract, and let the fucking trade run out all the way to these data lows. Okay, my target was truly this unfulfilled gap, as well as London's lows, which got completely ran through. But because I did go in with a lot of size, and I am a 1-on-1 max 1 or 2 risk to reward, I called it at this swing low right here. Okay, easy next draw on liquidity. Okay, guys, look at, you can look at even just the lower time frames. See that we are in a downtrend, reversed here, shop it around this range. If I'm bearish, I just need price to show me any confluences and any volatility towards the downside, any 1 minute CISD, which I got here, and I am taking these shorts towards these lows. Okay, I love a bearish market. I learned how to trade on a bearish market, and it's just very easy for me to predict and very easy for me to catch. Just have way more conviction on a bearish market than on a bullish market. I love bull runs as well. I love all time highs as well. The trend is always going to be your friend, but I just love bearish markets. Okay, so yes, 2 contracts here targeting this swing low right here. 101 to 102's continuation towards the next draw on liquidity. Okay, my edge is continuations, as you guys know. This was a continuation, and that's how I made $1,314 roughly in less than 5 minutes. Okay, less than 5 minutes, guys. Less than 5 minutes. Beautiful trade. Nice trade on this XFA, and that's how we got the job done, boys. Simple, easy, and quick. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't want to keep this too long. And yeah, good start of the week, boys. I will catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. You will not only be showing me your support, but you will be helping me reach other traders that want to see this type of content and improve their journey. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Peace.